Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will bring down all your toggles, and then locate the hotspot toggle, which will be on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, and in here you want to navigate to hotspot password. That's the reason why we want to navigate to settings. And here you can see we have a randomly generated password, so I'll get rid of this one and set up my own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. From there, once you click on OK, that saves your password, and you can close this if you don't want to change any other settings. I don't. So anyway, now that the password is changed, we can find the hotspot, tap on it to turn it on, and connect to this hotspot with other devices. Now once you're done using it, you can tap on this toggle once more to turn it off. Hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery when it's running, so when you're not using it, it's best to just turn it off. And by default, it does have an option to automatically turn itself off after a period of inactivity. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.